Hello YouTube, this is John. In this video I'm going to quickly show you how to fix this problem: operating system not found on Toshiba laptops, and this could work on other versions of Toshiba. This is the same as the error that comes boot device not found. So what we're going to do, you're going to click Ctrl Alt Delete to restart the computer. Then when the process is on, I'm going to click F2 so that we go to the BIOS system. When we reach the BIOS system, this is what is going to happen. I'm going to click ahead and go to boot. And this is where we have issues. As you can see, we have the HDD having this sign, which means the hard disk is disabled from booting. I'm going to click Shift 1 to remove this, as you can see. Then here the instructions show you can click Shift 1+1 to enable or disable. So I'm going to click F10 to save changes, and our problem is being solved within just 1 minute. Thanks for watching. If this video is helpful, please comment for more help. In case you have any issue, click the bell icon in order to get notified whenever I upload new videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a nice time. Goodbye.